rinse thoroughly after 3 minutes. And then it says for deep conditioning, cover the hair with a plastic cap and leave on for 10 to 15. I'm going to deep condition. Let me show y'all how it is at detangling. Okay. Pretty good. And smells really good. Milk and honey. Can't go bad with that, right? Okay, so I'm going to cover this with a plastic cap or more like a plastic bag. Then use my Pendana Collection thermal cap. Leave it on for 15 minutes. And then I'll show you guys what my hair looks like once it's washed out. Time to wash this out. Okay, roses, I just got done rinsing this out. That's my hair. All washed, deep conditioned. My hair is soft. Detangling was an ease. Feels moisturized. It's wonderful. So I gotta make a few quick runs. Actually, I won't be back home till later on tonight, so we're gonna have to save the styling portion of this video for another day. Okay, y'all see that? So this is the Nourish Me leave-in conditioner. Oh, it smells so good. It's nice. It is thick, smooth, and creamy. Y'all see that? That's what I'm talking about. So we ain't using the pump. And I'm just going to go ahead and run this through my hair. Like I said, I'm in a rush. I got some runs to make, but you know, it wouldn't be right to just wash my hair and just not add any kind of moisturizer to it. That's not a good thing, especially in this cold weather. Okay, so I like, as I'm running it through my hair, it does melt into the strands. So that's a big plus, because you don't want to be walking around with, you know, leave-in conditioner in your hair and your hair is all white. You go outside and everybody's like, did she forget something? Put a little bit more. And I'm probably just gonna put a baseball cap on right now, but yeah, you guys get the point. I am loving this new Milk and Honey line. I'm loving the smell. It does not clash with my little lotion I just put on. And that's something I mentioned in my curl box unboxing of this. The scent will not clash with any other scent you may have on. Okay, and I think I'm probably going to do a twist out. I'm glad that I have the Refine Me Curl Defining Mousse, which will be perfect for twist outs, braid outs, and for perm rod sets, which is something I mentioned in that previous video as well. So if you haven't seen it, I'll go ahead and include a card. And then for edges, the Tame Me 24-hour edge control. I gotta say, I'm loving this line. I already love Lottabody anyway. If you haven't seen my previous Lottabody videos, I have one in which I did a perm rod set, I think. Another Washday. I don't know. I'll go ahead and link that, or go ahead and link the playlist in the description box as well. I got plenty of videos with Lottabody. I love Lottabody. And as they say, love Lottabody. Hashtag love Lottabody for a reason. Okay, so I'm back from being out and about for about 5 hours. I did have a baseball cap on earlier, as you saw in the picture. And so my hair has shriveled up, but it's so soft, y'all. Look at it. The scent of every single product so far smells the same. It smells yummy. It smells like milk and honey. And let's go ahead and at least get one twist in there so you guys can see what it looks like. Okay. And of course, this is a Lottabody comb and the other comb that comes in their set, matching the previous line that they had. So my hair still kind of had a little bit of moisture in it. It's still super soft, and yeah, we'll do this. So we'll take this amount here, and I'll just do one pump. One pump is plenty, I would say. Probably only need it like a half one. That's what it looks like on the hair. And I'm just going to twist it. A little bit more for the ends. And as it begins to curl up a little bit, I can see it's time for a trim, but you get the point. So this is on semi-dried hair. I'm going to continue and twist, and if you guys want to see what this twist out turns out like, make sure you follow me on Instagram, where I post almost daily, minimum 3 times a week. And I will show the results of this. But as you can see, this line is something I suggest you get. I love it. It's packed full of moisture and strengthening properties. It's everything your hair needs during the winter season and going forward into 2019. So check it out. Again, this is the Lottabody new milk and honey line. I'll go ahead and leave a link for Lottabody so you can get your own. So make sure you subscribe if you're new to my channel, and hit the notification bell. If you've already been with me for a while, thank you for coming back to visit me, and I will talk to you roses later. Bye.